Hey everybody! It's your girl, Alicia. Listen up because we're about to dive into the exciting world of brand ambassadorships. You know, where you get to rep your favorite brands and get paid for it? It's like the coolest side hustle ever. Now, I know what you're thinking. Alicia, is this for real? Girl, let me tell you, it's more real than my love for double-stuffed Oreos. We're talking about empowering women to level up, build their own empires, and slay the game, one brand partnership at a time. Whether you're a makeup maven, a fashionista, a tech queen, or just someone who loves to share their passions, there's a brand out there waiting for you to be their ultimate hype woman. So, if you're ready to unlock a world of opportunities, gain some serious confidence, and maybe even treat yourself to that designer bag you've been eyeing, because hey, you deserve it, then buckle up, Buttercup. This one's for you. Okay, so let's break it down, fam. Today, we're diving into the world of brand ambassadorship. It's an exciting journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. What exactly is a brand ambassador? You might have heard the term thrown around, but let's get into the nitty-gritty of what it truly means. Basically, it's like being the superfan, the MVP, the head cheerleader for a brand you absolutely love. Imagine being the face and voice of a brand that resonates with you on a personal level. You know, the kind of brand that makes your heart sing and your wallet weep. But in a good way, of course. It's about that genuine connection and enthusiasm you feel for the products or services they offer. As a brand ambassador, your job is to spread the love. You're not just promoting a product, you're sharing your authentic experiences and stories with your audience. You're talking about them on your socials, rocking their merch, and basically just being their biggest fan. It's about creating a buzz and getting people excited about the brand. And guess what? They shower you with love and goodies in return. From exclusive products to special events, being a brand ambassador comes with some pretty sweet perks. Think of it like this. You're using your awesome personality and your killer social media skills to introduce amazing brands to your tribe. It's about being genuine and relatable, not just a walking advertisement. You're building connections, you're building community, and you're building your own brand in the process. It's a win-win situation where you grow alongside the brands you represent. Now, I know what you're thinking. Alicia, do I need 1 million followers to be a brand ambassador? Let me tell you, it's not about the numbers. Girl, please. You don't need to be a Kardashian to rock this gig. Brands are looking for authenticity, passion, and the ability to connect with an audience, no matter the size. Brands are looking for real people with genuine passion and a knack for connecting with their audience. They want ambassadors who can tell a story and create a meaningful impact. So, whether you've got 500 followers or 5,000, don't let those numbers hold you back. It's about engagement, authenticity, and the value you bring to the table. This is your chance to turn your passion into profit, your love for trying new things into a side hustle, and your unique voice into a powerful tool for influence. It's about leveraging your interests and skills to create opportunities. Trust me, being a brand ambassador is more than just a fancy title. It's a chance to step into your power, own your worth, and show the world what you're made of. It's about personal growth and professional development. So, are you ready to unleash your inner boss babe and conquer the world, one brand partnership at a time? I thought so. Let's get out there and make some magic happen. Your journey to the big time starts now. All right, let's talk about the good stuff, the perks. Being a brand ambassador isn't just about promoting products. It's about embracing a lifestyle filled with exciting opportunities and rewards. Being a brand ambassador comes with some seriously sweet benefits. Imagine having access to exclusive events, VIP parties, and special launches that most people only dream about. First up, freebies. Yes, you heard that right. Brands love to shower their ambassadors with gifts. We're talking about getting your hands on the latest products, from makeup and skincare to clothes, accessories, and even tech gadgets before anyone else. It's like being on the cutting edge of trends. It's like Christmas every month, honey. But wait, there's more. These aren't just any products. They're often high-end premium items that can elevate your lifestyle. Many brands offer some form of compensation, whether it's cold, hard cash, store credit, or commission on sales. This means you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Cha-ching! Hello, shopping sprees and extra cash flow. Imagine being able to fund your next vacation or splurge on that designer handbag you've been eyeing. And for all my hustlers out there, being a brand ambassador can be a stepping stone to even bigger opportunities. It's not just about the now, it's about building a future. We're talking about building relationships with major brands, gaining valuable experience, and maybe even landing your dream job in marketing or PR. The skills you develop and the connections you make can open doors you never imagined. But beyond the material perks, the real magic happens when you connect with other amazing women, build your network, and become part of a supportive community. It's about finding your tribe. It's like having a squad of cheerleaders hyping you up every step of the way. These connections can lead to lifelong friendships and collaborations. So, not only do you get to rep brands you love, but you also get to connect with like-minded people, learn from each other, and grow together. The knowledge and support you gain are invaluable. It's like a win-win-win situation. You get to enjoy amazing perks, build a career, and be part of a community that celebrates your success. What more could you ask for? Now, before you go sliding into those brand DMs, let's take a moment to understand the bigger picture. It's not just about sending messages. It's about setting yourself up for long-term success. First things first, you need to build a strong personal brand. What makes you unique? What sets you apart from the crowd? What are you passionate about? What drives you every day? What message do you want to share with the world? Think about your core values and beliefs. Once you've got your brand identity down, it's time to amp up your social media game. This is where you showcase your brand to the world. Make sure your profiles are on point, your content is engaging, and your visuals are appealing. Use relevant hashtags to increase your reach and connect with like-minded individuals. Remember, your social media is your portfolio, so make it shine. This is your chance to impress potential brands. Show brands that you're a social media maven who knows how to create killer content and connect with your audience. Consistency is key here. Now it's time to put yourself out there. Don't be shy, confidence is crucial. Start by reaching out to brands you love and genuinely believe in. Authenticity matters. See if they have any ambassador programs. Research their current campaigns and understand their brand voice. Don't be afraid to shoot your shot, even if they don't have an official program. Sometimes, brands are open to new ideas. Express your interest in a collaboration. Highlight how you can add value to their brand. You never know what opportunities might come your way just by putting yourself out there and expressing your interest. And remember, be genuine, be enthusiastic, and let your personality shine through. Authenticity is what brands are looking for. Brands are looking for people who are passionate about their products and can convey that passion to their audience. Show your excitement and enthusiasm for the brand's products. This will resonate with both the brand and your audience. So, go out there, be your amazing self, and let your unique voice be heard. Watch the opportunities roll in as you build meaningful connections and partnerships. The journey to becoming a brand ambassador is just beginning. Okay, ladies, now for the juicy part. Where to find these amazing brand ambassador opportunities? First up, we've got Aspire IQ. This platform connects brands with influencers, that's you, for paid collaborations. They work with some major brands, so you know it's legit. Next, we've got Brand Backer. This platform is all about connecting brands with micro-influencers, so don't be intimidated if you don't have a massive following. They've got opportunities for everyone. And then there's Influencer. This platform is perfect for trying out new products and sharing your honest reviews. You'll get to test out products for free and share your thoughts with your followers. Another great option is to check out the websites of your favorite brands directly. Many brands have dedicated ambassador programs, and you can usually find information about them on their websites. And don't forget about social media. Follow brands you love, engage with their content, and use relevant hashtags. You never know who's watching. All right, you've landed your first brand ambassador gig. Congrats! Now let's talk about how to knock it out of the park and make a lasting impression. First things first, always over-deliver. Go above and beyond what's expected of you. Create high-quality content, engage with your followers, and be a true advocate for the brand. Speaking of content, make it pop. Get creative, use eye-catching visuals, and tell a story. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. And don't forget to track your results. Keep track of your engagement, reach, and any other metrics that are important to the brand. This will show them that you're serious about your role and that you're delivering results. Communication is key. Stay in touch with your brand contacts, ask questions, and be responsive. Building strong relationships is crucial for long-term success. And most importantly, have fun. Being a brand ambassador should be enjoyable, So choose brands you're passionate about and let your personality shine through. And there you have it, my loves. Everything you need to know to embark on your own exciting journey as a brand ambassador. Remember, the world is your oyster, and there are endless opportunities out there waiting for you. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there, be your amazing selves, and show the world what you're made of. And don't forget to come back and share your success stories with me. I'm rooting for you every step of the way. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more empowering content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous, and keep shining bright.